Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Recursio podcast, easy English conversations for learners.
Hi, great to be here again. Today we have a topic that everybody knows very well.
That's right. Today we're talking about morning routines, the things you do every morning, from the moment you open your eyes to the moment you start your day.
It's a perfect topic for learners because these are words and phrases you can use every single day.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you will know how to describe your whole morning in natural English.
As always, listen first, read the captions if you need them, and try to repeat the useful phrases out loud.
And one small thing before we start, you can practice today's phrases in Recursio. The link is in the description.
Okay? Ready? Let's wake up together.
So, let's start simple. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, but to be honest, I often stay in bed for 10 more minutes.
So you hit the snooze button.
I do, almost every morning, I'm afraid.
That's a great phrase for our listeners, to hit the snooze button.
Right. The snooze button is the button on your alarm that gives you a few more minutes of sleep.
So, when the alarm rings and you press it and go back to sleep, you hit the snooze button.
Exactly. To hit the snooze button means to stop the alarm and sleep a little longer.
Let's say it one more time, slowly. To hit the snooze button.
Perfect. Now, here's a question for you. Do you know the difference between to wake up and to get up?
They sound very similar. Are they the same?
They are close, but not the same. Think about it for a second. To wake up means to stop sleeping, your eyes open. To get up means to actually leave your bed.
So I can wake up at 7, but get up at 7:30.
Exactly. And that's what most of us do, right?
Very true. So listeners, remember, first you wake up, then you get up.
And if you get up very early without any problem, full of energy, we have a name for you.
A morning person.
Yes. A morning person is someone who feels good and active in the morning.
Are you a morning person?
Honestly, not really. I need my coffee first. What about you?
Me neither. My brain starts working around 10 o'clock.
So, both of us are not morning people. That's fine. Many of our listeners probably feel the same.
If you are a morning person, tell us in the comments. We are a little jealous.
Okay, so we woke up, we got up. What happens next?
Next, I go to the bathroom and get ready. And to get ready is our next phrase.
To get ready means to prepare yourself. Wash, dress, fix your hair, all of it.
For example, I need 40 minutes to get ready for work.
Or, hurry up, we have to leave, and you're still getting ready.
So what's inside getting ready? Let's go step by step.
First, most people brush their teeth. Simple and important. To brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth twice a day, in the morning and before bed.
Then, a shower. In English, we say to take a shower.
Not make a shower, not do a shower, take a shower. This mistake is very common.
Right. I take a shower every morning. He takes a shower in the evening. Take, take.
Let's repeat it slowly. To take a shower.
Great. A quick question for you, listeners. How do you say it? A hot shower or a cold shower? Which one do you prefer?
I'm team hot shower. 100%.
Really? A cold shower wakes you up much better than coffee.
Maybe, but I'm not brave enough. Okay, after the shower, clothes.
Yes. To get dressed means to put on your clothes.
I get dressed, then I check myself in the mirror.
You can also say to put on a shirt, to put on shoes. Put on is for one thing. Get dressed is for the whole process.
Nice. So a full morning sentence. I get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, and get dressed.
See? 4 phrases, one simple story. Try to say your own version out loud right now.
If you said it, well done. If not, you can always rewind. That's the magic of podcasts.
Now, my favorite part of the morning breakfast.
Of course. So what do you usually have for breakfast?
Notice the verb, everyone. To have breakfast. Not eat breakfast. Well, you can say eat, but have is more natural.
Right. I have breakfast. I have coffee. I have toast. Have works for almost all food situations.
So, to answer your question, I usually have toast with cheese and a big cup of coffee.
Sounds nice. On busy days, I don't have time for a real breakfast, so I just grab a quick bite.
Ooh, that's a good one. To grab a bite. It means to eat something quickly.
Yes, I grab a bite on my way to work. Or, let's grab a bite before the meeting.
You can also grab a coffee. Grab means take something quickly, in an informal way.
Now, let's talk about coffee, because for many people, coffee is the morning.
Oh, yes. I can't function without coffee. That's our next phrase.
To function means to work normally, like a machine. So, I can't function without coffee means my brain doesn't work before coffee.
It's a little funny, a little dramatic, and very, very common in real conversations.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I can't function without coffee.
Beautiful. And if you don't drink coffee, you can change the word. I can't function without tea, or without music, or without my phone.
By the way, a quick tip in the middle of our episode. We've already learned about 10 phrases today.
If you're thinking, how will I remember all of them? That's exactly what Recursio is for. Save the phrases from this episode there, and the app will bring them back for practice right before you forget them.
No pressure. The link is in the description whenever you need it. Okay, back to our morning.
So we had breakfast, we had coffee. Time to leave the house.
And this is where mornings become stressful. Because very often, I'm running late.
To run late. I love this phrase. It means you are behind schedule. You will probably arrive late.
For example, sorry, I can't talk now. I'm running late for work.
Notice, you are not late yet. You are running late. It's the process.
Say it with me. I'm running late.
And when you finally leave your home, there's a nice expression. To get out the door.
Yes, it's surprisingly hard to get out the door on time, right?
So hard. Between shoes, keys, phone, bag, I need 15 minutes just to get out the door.
And once you are outside, you might send a message to a friend or a colleague. I'm on my way.
On my way. 3 small words used every single day. It means, I have left and I'm coming to you.
You can even shorten it in texts. OMW. OMWE.
True, but in speaking, say the full thing. I'm on my way.
Quick story. Last Tuesday, I woke up late, skipped breakfast, grabbed a coffee, and still missed my bus.
Classic. And what did you text your team?
Good morning. Running late, on my way. 2 phrases from today in 1 message.
Perfect example. This is exactly how these phrases live in real life.
Now let's zoom out a little. When we talk about routines, we talk about habits, things we do again and again.
And English has some lovely tools for that. The simplest one you already know.
I usually wake up at 7. She usually walks to work. Easy.
A slightly more advanced one. To tend to. It means generally do something. Do something as a habit.
For example, I tend to check my phone first thing in the morning.
Same here, and I'm not proud of it. You could also say, he tends to skip breakfast.
First thing in the morning. That's another gem. It means before anything else.
Yes, I drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. Say it slowly with me.
And one more, a bit formal but useful. As a rule.
As a rule, I don't work after 9 in the evening. It means usually, in general.
So now you can describe habits in 3 ways. Usually, tend to, and as a rule.
Mix them. Your English will sound much more natural when you don't repeat the same word all the time.
Okay, time for our little quiz. We'll ask, you answer. Out loud, please.
Question 1. What do you press when you want 5 more minutes of sleep?
The snooze button. You hit the snooze button.
Question 2. What's the difference between waking up and getting up?
Waking up is when you stop sleeping. Getting up is when you leave your bed.
Question 3. Complete the sentence. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Take. I take a shower. Never make a shower.
Question 4. You eat something very quickly. Which phrase is that?
To grab a bite. You can also grab a coffee.
Question 5. The last one. You left home and you're going to meet your friend. What do you text them?
I'm on my way. Perfect.
If you answered all 5, amazing. If not, no problem. That's exactly why review matters.
Let's do a super quick recap of today's phrases.
Hit the snooze button. Wake up and get up. A morning person.
Get ready. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed.
Have breakfast. Grab a bite. And of course, I can't function without coffee.
Running late. Get out the door. I'm on my way.
And for habits, usually tend to first thing in the morning as a rule.
That's a lot of useful English for one morning. 16 phrases, more or less.
If you want to keep them, open the link below. You'll find this lesson's phrases ready to practice in Recursio.
Dictation, sentence building, speaking practice. A few minutes a day, and these phrases become yours.
Thank you so much for listening with us today. Tell us in the comments, what time do you get up? And are you a morning person?
See you in the next episode of the Recursio podcast. Until then, enjoy your mornings.
Bye, everyone.